Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Harbor Breeze ceiling fan not working. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan here, there are going to be a few things that you can try to probably solve any issues. So first is you want to do a basic check here. So before troubleshooting anything or changing a few settings or generally fixing the problem, you want to do some checks. So first is you want to check your circuit breaker. Now make sure it hasn't tripped. So in this case, sometimes if you lose power accidentally or suddenly, the breaker itself might trip. So you want to go and check that and see if it's not turned off. Next is you want to check your wall switch. Now if your fan is controlled by a wall switch, ensure it's turned on and also test the switch with a circuit tester to rule out any issues. Next is you want to, in this case, check the fan's pull chain. So ensure the chain or pull chain switch on the fan is on the on position. Now once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to do the troubleshooting steps here. First is you want to basically check for remote control issues. So you want to check and replace the batteries on your remote. And also if the remote isn't syncing, try resetting or reprogramming it with the fan. Next is you want to check for unusual noises or performance issues. So you want to check the capacitor or receiver as these controls the fan's speed and operations. So if faulty, they may need to be replaced. But typically speaking, it is going to be inside the actual fan. So if that's the case, I recommend you to call a professional for that one. And also check if the light is not working. So if the fan light doesn't turn on, the remote receiver could be faulty as well. So inspect it and replace it if necessary. So in this case, those are the things that you could try here to probably solve this issue. But in this case, if you can't fix it yourself, it is highly recommended that you have a professional help you with fixing this one. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.